hak Jingïadei bante lakam mi ki kampen triam de Lehnoh ka National Investigation Agency NIA kala Thwet ik jinglap ksai Badan Lehnoh nari Bangladesh ham Meghalaya khamtam gi banta ka rilom karo ki bala Suba dan Jingïadei ba kunhu Lehnoh Al-Qaida kawai na ki chaka ba ka NIA kala khanra ka dai gi banta ka mahesh khola ba rongra ong tolong khubor na ki pulet habakran sikila pathai khubor halor ka ni ka banta ukorrat ki sangma mentri rong ba ka jala hak no phai singi khalai trek noi wi nga japsan ulo ong ba kum ki ni jing Thwet la penlang ki chaka ba fer lo ong ba sarkar jala ka ai ka jingi trelang ba agency hagilang baro bat kloiru ban ai ka jingi ram mentri rong ba kantaj pat ban batai bania namar ka jing Thwet kadai ki Jingïadei ban penlang singa ni kari India hi baro kawai.
So basically, as far as the information that we have received, it's happening in multiple locations, and it's based on obviously certain areas which they are trying to find out more details, informations, and therefore it's an investigation that's going on linked to the obviously the bomb blast that took place in Delhi. So therefore, number one, it would be not correct for me to go into details of that investigation. What is the purpose of the visit? Because it is sensitive in nature and is to do with national security. So for us to talk about it in press would be incorrect. That's number one. Number two, all we want to say is that we are here to cooperate with them in every way possible, and we're cooperating to ensure that whatever support and help required will be done. So that's all we want to say. Apart from that, I think it's sensitive in nature in the sense that it's to do with national security, and we are all aware about the kind of incidents that have happened. Therefore, we'll refrain from going into details. But as I said, full cooperation is being given from the state side in whatever way possible to help in this investigation.
The place, if we can confirm, South Garo is there.
I don't want to. Again, as I said, it's sensitive in nature. I would be in one way compromising with the details. It is wrong because it's to do with national security. So I don't want to go into details.
How safe is Shillong?
No. That's only it's completely different. It's to do with whatever the background check and everything. So we'll just leave it at that. There's nothing to do with any other thing. So I don't think there's any other issue that there was some kind of something happening or something. Nothing like that. It's basically part of the investigation. Let the investigation happen. It's to do with the Delhi blast, and therefore the investigations are on. I don't want to comment on anything beyond that because it's a matter of national security, and I will be compromising that investigation if I were to spell out any more further details about that. But that's all it is. There's nothing to worry. It's part of the investigation process.
Habatin, page bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habat thiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pet ya ka sharp plus F ha ka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kum ki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kata I ka dur jing ki mar bam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki. Balehi panai kita. Ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki mar ba medon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.